Okay, so the first thing you need is actually a resource to learn from. It could be a book, it could be a video course, tutorial. I don't care. You just need something to learn from. It could also be your favorite AI agent, if you will. I got this book here from Pact. It's quite nice. I like it. I learned a lot from this guy here. It's really nice. And once you have that, you need a sort of playground, an environment where you can try your code to see, I don't know, your styles changing, your markup, and all that stuff, your JavaScript scripts. And for that, we want to install Bun. I already have a Bun installed, so I'm gonna skip that step. Yep, you can see I have Bun already. So we're going to do Bun init to create our project. Let's call it my app. It doesn't matter. You could call it whatever you want. We're going to pick the blank template, and yeah, that's it. Let's cd into my app, and let me just open that up on my code editor. If you see, we got some pages here, TypeScript installed in types for Bun, but that's basically it. If you run Bun index, you're just gonna get that message here. See, nothing special here. All right, so what we want is, let me just bring in some stuff here. This is just boilerplate code, so don't worry. We are bringing in the serve function from Bun and a page, an HTML page that we're going to create in a second. And then we're going to we're telling Bun, look, Bun, when we access the root, please show me this page here that we call it homepage. Also, every time we update the page, we want that update to be shown like instantly. And please run on port 5000. That's basically what we're doing here. Nothing special, okay? So let's create that page here. Yeah, let's just public, we're going to have a CSS, a scripts, and we're going to create our index. And also need a styles.css. That's it. We don't need JavaScript here at the moment, but if you did, you do scripts and I don't know, app.js, whatever. No, it's not important. All right, so let me save that, and we got our pages here created. Now let me bring in some older boilerplate code. Okay, this does not have anything. It's just like, oh, it has a title. Let's just call it my app for now. And that's it. Now, when we run our server, our Bun server, Bun index.ts, it's going to run on this port here. You can access it here, and you see we have a blank page, because our body, it doesn't have anything here. But if we do hello world, then it's going to have something showing. And you can see it updates like instantly, like really instantly, okay? You can change this. You can see the title's going to update, look, see? Okay, so now we want to, I don't know, apply some styles. Let's just say that we're going to have a I don't know, black background, but then we can't see the text anymore. And let's just say that our text color is going to be white, like full white. You can see you can do everything here. I don't know, margin left. It doesn't matter now. I don't know. See, things update. That was not a good example, but you get the drill. You could say font family. I think I have, what do I have? Ubuntu Sans here on my machine. Yeah, you can see it updates like instantly. It's really nice. Anyway, you could also have your scripts here. What did we call it? So we call it app.js, I think. Yeah, so you can see in here you'd write your, I don't know, whatever you want to write, but we want to keep it simple for now. Let's just say you're just starting to learn web development, So you'd find examples on your I don't know, on your resource. I don't know, here, for example, you have some styles, some markup, and you'd kind of follow whatever you're following, and you'd program that here and see the results on the page like right away. It's really nice. You should give it a try. It's way simpler and easier to work with than a Vite project or React stuff. We don't do that here. And again, it's actually that serve thing. It's actually a full stack server. Actually, you can do all things. You can work with databases, do SQL stuff and so on. In our case, we are just serving the home page basically, but you could also have other endpoints that return JSON data, that you get from a database, for example. If you want me to dive a bit deeper into Bun's server, just let me know and I'll try to create some more scenarios, with a HTML page, database, maybe some HMX, you know. But again, this is just a simple setup that you can use to learn web development, like pure vanilla web development with JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, you know. All right, so that's it for today. If you want to, if you want me to create some of this stuff related to this server here, just let me know and I'll try to. All right, thank you. I'll see you next time. Oops.